Your knee replacement surgery was the finish line of your pain. What if the real secret to a life changing recovery is in the surgeon's skill? But what happens the moment you wake up? Are you aware that most patients are left in the dark about the true timeline and demands of post surgical rehabilitation? Could the difference between walking pain free and struggling for years come down to hidden truths your medical stream simply didn't have time to explain? Do you know that a physical therapy often begins with 24 hours of your surgery, sometimes the very same day? Are you prepared for the fact that resting until you feel better is actually a dangerous myth that can lead to blood clots and rapid muscle loss? Have you considered how crucial it is to transform your home before surgery by removing trip hazards and installing safety grab bars? What is the most critical window for your long term joint success happens while you are still in the hospital? Are you aware the mid recovery phase often brings unexpected psychological challenges like frustration, anxiety, and mental fatigue? You know that your mental health understand variably in the recovery isn't exercise at all, but your daily nutrition. Are you compact surgical fatigue? Do you believe that would be 100% healed in just 6 weeks? What if I told you that your artificial joint continues to bond with your bone and improve for up to a full year? Are you aware that long term exercise adherence is the single most important factor in maintaining your new joints function for decades? You want to know the exact step by step rehabilitation protocols that ensure a safe, confident, and complete recovery? Are you ready to uncover a nutritional secrets, home preparation checklist, and psychological strategies that most surgeons leave out? For the complete unfiltered guide to hip and knee replacement rehabilitation, where should you turn? Want the answers and more crucial insights to protect your investment in a new joint? Visit cloudtechbull.com right now.